So in a way, it is important for peace so that the refugees, the conditions in Afghanistan are such that the refugees can go back. So then we can take responsibility if someone operates from this side. But with still 2.7 million Afghans here, it is not possible for us to completely guarantee, although we are building a fence now, and almost the fence has been completed, but it is still not possible. But rest assured, it is not in our interest that there's conflict in Afghanistan.
There is an opportunity for peace we cannot miss. We have not the right to miss this opportunity. No Afghan will forgive us. I'm very encouraged by the strong commitment of Pakistan to peace in Afghanistan. And it's also very important that the whole of the international community, once peace is achieved, decides to invest massively in Afghanistan.
If peace comes, there needs to be massive investment in economic opportunities, in infrastructure, in other areas of development that will provide a sense of confidence for people to return, but also for young people not to leave.